Hello, I'm Dr. Darnita L. Payton, and my purpose is to educate, encourage, and enlighten. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I am so grateful that you are here. This is it. This is the 5th video in my series, Easy and Quick Decluttering, 5 things in 5 minutes for 5 days. I hope that you have enjoyed this series, the first 4, and that you have just been on a decluttering spree and you're now able to see your space. You can see the top of your desk. You no longer sleep with things other than your husband or your wife. you because you cleared off your bed, and you can actually see it now. You can see the floor. We've made progress. You know, we are so proud, and I am so very proud and hope that you are encouraged. Today we are going to complete the 5 categories, and then you can just go back and bask in all of your successes. Please let me know where you found your most success, or what area you had the most difficulty, where you maybe struggled the most. And if you hear that loud truck, yeah, I'm just convinced that they put on the listserv that I'm recording and send all the loud trucks with the backup beeping, but we're just going to keep going. Real life, people, I told you, this is real life. So today we're going to talk about, in the paper category, we're going to talk about bills and receipts. Now, I don't have a lot of bills here to show you because, well, that's my personal information. You don't need to see that. I'm just kidding. But, you know, a lot of people do electronic bills, and that's great if you do. I actually prefer the paper bills, but I have some come in electronic form, and I have some that come in paper form as well. And receipts, we still need them sometimes for maybe for a warranty or until the return period is over. But you can, you can scan these, take a picture of these with your phone if you don't want to keep the paper ones. But what you want to do is when they are past their useful date, that you shred these and discard those. And again, same thing if you still have paper bills coming in as well. I know that you all have been so successful that your closet is looking really empty now because you've gone through in the clothes category and gotten rid of so many things, donating them likely to someone else who could use them. And that is such a great thing to do. I commend you. Yay, I'm proud of you. Today we're talking about dresses and suits and, okay, the dress is being disrespectful. But so we're talking about dresses. So just go through and see if they still fit your style, if they still fit, if you still want to wear them. And for men, if you want to go through and look at your suit jackets and your ties and your dress shirts, because again, many of us are home, and yes, we will eventually return to work and the outside world. So I'm not telling you to discard these things because we're not wearing them right now, but this is the opportune time to go through your closet and see again, do you have dresses that you're no longer wearing, or do you have some shirts that you could either donate or that you just don't wear and don't need. So definitely go through those items today. Expired food. Yes, you know you've been there. Now, this one technically isn't expired, garbanzo beans. It's still good until August of 2021. So we're good there. And just a little caveat, just because, especially for canned items, the expired date doesn't mean that you have to discard it. When you open it, you just want to make sure that's just the date that it says is best by. Now, again, I'm not encouraging you to hold on to items that are 3 years past their expiration date or anything like that, but go through your pantry and see if you have any expired items, your condiments, your canned foods. Check your freezer, check for your meats, go through and look for any expired food. So if you have old printers or scanners or equipment like that, I don't know if you've ever noticed that behind me is a combination printer, scanner, faxer doohickey. And I don't know if you know that, once you get a new computer or they update or upgrade to something, some computers stop talking to some printers. They don't play well together on the playground anymore, and so it makes them obsolete. Thankfully, this one still functions, but if you have some that don't, you could, again, donate those or recycle those responsibly. So the final category that we're going to focus on in this series and in this video is specifically for, I'm probably talking more to my ladies out there, but men use lotion, right? So you want to go through your personal care items. This is Bath and Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel. It is delightful. If you've not smelled it, it smells like vanilla bean. So what you want to do is, you want to check to make sure that it doesn't have an off smell. It doesn't. And that it hasn't become watery. You can shake it. This is a very thick one, so that's why it's making that noise. And so you just want to go through your lotions and your potions and all of your, perfumes and your colognes and see if they still smell the way that they're intended. And if you still use them, because, our noses change. And so you just want to go through and see if, they have an off-putting smell, or if you just don't like them anymore, because our senses change and our desire for scents change. So, you may have once loved Vanilla Bean Noel, and if you don't love it now, I just don't know what to say to you. But go through your scents and your lotions and see if you still like them. And I don't wear makeup, but we are talking about makeup. My face is just as bald as it can be. But I do have, I do like nail polishes, especially for those summer months when we have to show our toes and we don't want to look like Fred Flintstone. So you want to go through your polishes and just make sure that, they're still fluid. You can hear the little shake, you hear the ball that's in there, and just discard any of the ones that you are no longer using, or, maybe it's a color that you no longer like. Not saying I don't like that, because I think that's a pretty color. And I do have a couple of lipsticks, mainly because my niece likes to play in them. But so I have to make sure that I definitely go through these to make sure that she's not playing with anything that's expired or that's not safe. So just go through wherever you keep your personal care items, your perfumes, your deodorants, your lotions and things like that, and make sure that they aren't past their life. And if they are, again, safely discard those. So, there you are. And there you have it. That's the end. We are done. Yay! You survived. You made it through. You made it through all 5 videos in this series. And again, I am so proud of you. Let me know again what challenges you faced, or if you would like me to focus on other categories or do another series like this. I would definitely love to do that for you. And in all seriousness, I'm hoping that you were successful and that you feel a sense of pride and you feel and enjoy your space, and you are just congratulating yourself and you're so happy because you did it. Again, I am so very proud of you. So that is it. So today we covered your paper bills, receipts, and menus. If you have those, we talked about your dresses, your business wear, shirts, your suits, ties. We talked about expired food, going through and seeing if you have any and discarding that. And we talked about if you have obsolete printers or scanners, that you could donate those or recycle those safely. And then, of course, we talked about your makeup, your lotions, your shaving creams, your perfumes, your colognes. So those are the 5 final categories in the series. Again, I am so excited for you, and I am believing that you have done wonderfully well. Please leave me a comment in the comment box below. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I am so grateful that you are here. Before you leave, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. And do me one favor, tell at least 5 people you know about my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. If you would like more information or a free consultation, please feel free to visit me at drdeclutter.com. That's doctor, the letter D, the word clutter.com. It'll be in the description box. And if no one has told you today how awesome you are, I want you to know that you are absolutely, positively awesome. Take care. God bless. Bye. Now keep it going. Bye. You all know what I'm about to say, right? Massive convoy of trucks. I don't understand. And this one has one of those backups on it. The beep, beep, beep.